I had a customer call me up a few minutes ago, ask me some questions about how to select a replacement fuel fitting. As it states in my kits, the fuel fittings that I use are Yamaha style fuel fittings. They are not Mercury style, and Yamaha and Mercury are different. And I wanted to point that out real quickly here. These four are all Yamaha style fuel fittings. These two are Mercury style. It doesn't matter if you have it chrome or stainless steel or brass, or if it's a hex body like this one, or if it's a round body or whatever. The critical aspect is the distance from this flange, or from the end of the fuel port, to the body. On the Yamaha style, from here to here is 13 millimeters. Don't worry about the zip ties. I've simply got the zip ties on these two Mercury fittings to allow me to identify them as Mercury very quickly, because they are so close that you got to actually look careful. You'll notice from right here, the end of the fuel port to the body on the Mercury style is 11 millimeters. So here I will hold a Yamaha style over a Mercury style, and you can see that while they are very, very similar, they're not exact. So if you go to purchase a replacement fitting at, we'll say, Bass Pro Shops or your local marina or whatever, do not allow them to tell you that the Yamaha and the Mercury are identical. They are extremely similar. However, they're not identical. And definitely make sure that you get the Yamaha style as opposed to something that says it fits both, or the Mercury style. And now let's take a few minutes to go over quality control issues with the different manufacturers of Yamaha style fittings that I have seen over the years. And let me show you some things about these real quickly. This one is the best of the ones that I have used. You'll notice that there's a slight lip right here on the main fuel port. You'll see that ring. This one, again, you'll see that ring where it gets slightly bigger, where it's pushed into the main body. And this is nothing but this one chrome plated. Then these, you'll see that there is a slightly bigger portion pressed into the body, and the body is hexed all the way up. And all three of these work good. My favorite would be this one. Nice, simple, no chrome to flake off, no, you know, it's small and so on. Now here are some cheap imitations, and again, I liken these cheap imitations of the Yamaha fuel fittings to people trying to make counterfeits of my kit, a cobbled up mess. And the quickest way to notice is if you look right here where this piece is pressed into the main body, it isn't stepped up bigger. And what that does is it allows air to be sucked in around this. In fact, some of these are so poorly made that, okay, there you go. I just pulled it apart with no tools. You'll notice that, again, there's no larger area on it. Okay, that one came apart with no tools. Fine quality imitation junk. Okay, here's one. Again, there's a lip on it. And it does not come off. And that's what you're looking for. No air leaks. As I covered earlier, air leaks are the main problems with my kits. And I just wanted to show you a little bit about the component quality. And again, if you're buying one of my kits, you're going to get all high quality components, because I've been doing this for years and I know who makes good stuff and who does not make good stuff, and I just don't have the time to mess with junk like this. So if you need a replacement, you can either order it from me or follow the instructions I gave you when you go to purchase one. Make sure that it is stepped flange, and you can't see that over the internet. So I don't recommend you ordering them over the internet, Amazon.com, because the photographs won't show you that tiny little detail.